Where are we at, sir?
Casually arriving late everywhere we fucking go. Paddle court. My second time playing. I'm not professional yet.
Not yet.
You seen the skills last time though. You seen the fucking
Smash.
yeah, it's funny because if you've never played, obviously I immediately assumed that this was like tennis, and obviously you didn't know about the glass part, you didn't know about the bounce, and it's probably best not to smack it like in tennis. It's best to just
be strategic.
Be strategic, exactly like you play chess.
Yeah.
But that makes sense because I've not played chess in a while, so I obviously fucking forgot about it. But
ready to redeem yourself today?
I am, yes, I am.
Right, let's get on the courts.
We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different activities.
I don't know, maybe I should
after the waterfall.
It's not good.
I think it's a fantastic idea that we put them in a hat. We scrunch them up, we put them in a hat. Whichever one comes out. Okay, they don't even know what's going on. Whichever one comes out, we'll just go for and do it.
So we're gonna pick it all out when we're there, yeah?
We're basically,
or we're gonna pick it here?
We're basically living life on the edge, and we're also living life by being spontaneous, because that's what life is about. If I told you what was here,
is it quite rocky?
Well, then it would ruin the excitement. You want,
Yeah, it was nice.
Elephants there, bro. Have you seen an elephant before?
No way.
I meant, how long would you think it would take you to one of them branches?
Oh, right. Thought you meant the elephant.
So it eats bananas and it's the trees as well.
Eats the whole tree.
Yeah.
That's mad, it's just eating a tree though, isn't it? Like that mustn't have any flavour in that whatsoever.
Yeah. Met people there.
I can see it.
So soothing. Something about fucking waterfalls. I can't explain it. I think it's just like a soul. Do you know what it does? In hiking, what I've noticed the most is what it does to your mind once you've done it. It just empties it, doesn't it?
Bro, that is so peaceful just to look at that.
Five minutes later.
Let's go!
Oh, look at that!
Oi, Bomba Ross!
Talking about it was called Master E's Compound, aka the Buffalo Jungle. The guy itself he's a pretty crazy guy. Well, last time we came here, we'll try and get the clip. He tried doing a chirotherapy session on our friend's neck.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Oh!
Well, that was
Fucking hell, I felt that. I can kill you or heal you with this.
Oh, really? really?
Yeah.
But where's the inside now?
There is no inside, bro. The building's fucking half broken.
Is that the building?
Yeah, bro. Right, well, there you go. That was an introduction to fucking
Nothing.
football. Good session, boys.
Where are we, sir?
Master E let us down. He had the reconstruction. I think the tornado took his fucking buffalo jungle out, so there was no meeting of him. So we've had to relocate. So we have now come to meal prep beachside. Do you know what the beachside means? It means it's by the fucking beach. That's exactly what it is. It's not maybe, or you know, it's close by. It's right there. Look, you don't have to go very fast to let the boat.
And it's therefore, if your hand's there, or just stop there. Like, look. Get behind us. I would have to literally jump in.
What's going on? What's going on? I didn't sign up for this shit. Right, boys. So, listen up, y'all. Listen up. So, we obviously went for a little adventure. It was pretty cool, pretty fun. So, we thought we didn't want the adventure to end, but there are some things here which would either make us do an activity on the island or take us somewhere off the island. Who would like to pick? Let's do it.
Water sports, kayak, jet ski, parasailing, banana pool.
Yeah. Not bad.
So that's the first choice.
Zipline in the jungle.
Oh, fuck.
You've not done that before, have you?
This one.
Hang Kong Marine Park. That's sick.
That good?
Yeah. So it's like, you know that scene out of Avatar where it's got the floating mountains.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's kind of like that.
Yeah, that's got
But it's not floating. Quad bike adventure
Hey,
through the jungle. That one
we
is.
can do that here.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, that's
That'll
it.
be fun.
What's going on, mate?
Never done that. That's pretty good.
Footgolf. You ever heard of? Did you even know that was it?
No.
You can pick.
Watch Muay Thai fight.
Yeah, that'd be good.
Shit.
Yeah.
And last one. No, that's what I mean. You've lost one. So this one's a Jeep jungle through the safari.
Okay.
Sorry, that makes no sense. A jungle safari in a Jeep, I'd say. And then there's actually one more, but we lost it, which was a fishing trip.
Oh, that would be sick. Yeah.
I think it'd be pretty funny, actually. Bro.
I think fishing.
Sweet.
I've
It's
got
not-
fishing with jet skis.
No,
At that place, at the national park.
At the national
yeah, fishing at a national park.
Shall we surprise them and not tell them where we're going?
We're going to play foot golf. That's right, foot golf. Not normal golf, foot golf. So we're going to now cue the arrival at foot golf. And we've arrived. Football, Samui golf. The funniest thing is, like, we've been literally on this island for 1 year. Bro, my gym's there. I drive past it every single day. I swear to God, I've never seen this before. So, little secret. When I was 12 years old, I used to play for Morecambe, which was League 2. So I was technically playing semi-pro when I was 13, but I didn't even know I was playing semi-pro because you don't even have thoughts or intelligence. And do you know what happened? One of my friends who got the trials with me, he quit. And I was alone, so I quit. And that's me. That's my football career out the fucking window. So we're going to put our skills to the test. Have you ever actually played this before?
I've played foot golf before. Yeah, not here, but
Okay.
I have.
Look at this place, though.
Look at him doing a bicey.
Where is he there? Is that there?
Yeah, he's doing a bicycle kick. Yeah.
Parte Cristiano!
Bro, when you come to play foot golf, you get free protection.
Good move.
Can't keep this a fantasy. If that's how you feel, if that's how you feel.
Is that on camera? Out of bounds.
You dickhead.
Good. It's small one. It's for kids, for lady.
I am kid and lady.
You take small one, no?
Yeah, I like small.
We have small hole now.
Alright, we move on. Yeah?
Yep,
Over there, small
let's
hole.
go. Small hole.
Yeah.
Small hole, but big balls, you see?
Meow.
Phew.
You sure you can do this?
It's not an easy one, that. It's not an easy one at all. You get the grass and say, well done, lad.
He's going for it. Oh! Whoa! Oh! Joke. This is joke. Oh, that's not a bad ball at all, sir. Oh shit! Whoa! You look, it's still going.
That was a beast. Oh,
still going. Where do we even begin? So, welcome to our beautiful road trip. We have gone off grid, away from Samui, away from civilization, away from society. And even being here for 5 minutes, my mind is already in complete Zen mode. There's so many creative feelings coming up. And the first few minutes, all I wanted to do was, oh, check my phone. Oh, has anyone messaged me? Oh, I need to check. Have I got any meetings? And I just had to remind myself, hold on a minute. Well, look at where we actually are. There is no responsibilities. There is only the present moment. And this is exactly where we belong. And this is where we're from, right? My family grew up in a place like this. And I literally feel like I'm back in my own habitat. So, we have no plans whatsoever, which is the best part. We are 2 hours away from Phuket, so we're literally in the middle of nowhere. Hopefully we can get a map up of where we actually are, because I don't even know where we are. We're just halfway somewhere in the middle of Thailand. So there's no plan, which is probably the best, because that's the point of the spontaneous trip. That's the mystery of life. That's one thing I genuinely appreciate about traveling, which is one thing I've genuinely wanted to do my entire life, and here it is now. So thank you, God, for all these opportunities, for our team, for our network, for Mindfullmarkets, and for everything in between. Namaste. Let's fucking go!
Give him a nudge, give him a nudge. Hang on.
That was funny.